Hello guys, what's up? So welcome back to my channel. So I have here an update of hamster in Gitoy. So let's talk the Gitoy. Okay, let's go to Twitter. Let's go to Twitter and search the Gitoy. Okay, let's find the um about hamster. Okay, 5 hours ago, Gitoy is posting the hamster combat is pre-listing trading in the live Gitoy now. So the pre-market of hamster is live in the Gitoy. So how much it's price of hamster pre-market. So let's see. So with this is the I visit the Gitoy, but the price of 500 hamster is 664 USDT. So 500 hamster is the price is 64 USDT. Okay, and also here by source that 200 hamster is 370 USDT. That is the big. It is worth it. Okay, but I see more in the Gitoy. I see here that the price of 5,000 hamster is equivalent 779, and 500 hamster equivalent is 81 USDT. So the question is how much the conversation of hamster, the balance or per hour. So let's go to their their announcement and Telegram. So we can see that their CEO, due the tremendous amount of question and comments, the airdrop will depend on the pr- profit per hour and some activity the parameters that will reveal later, not the coin's balance. So as we can see, it's not the coin's balance. It's not the 53 million is basis on their conversation. So their conversation is per hour. So let's see an hour. Let's see in hamster combat. So okay, are you there? Just wait. So the basis of their conversation or ratio is this profit per hour. So let's how possible convert the ratio of 1 million. So I'm thinking this is the not like to the not conversation. So unlike we have 1 million, the ratio is there is uh 1k. So this is the ratio of hamster. I feel this is the ratios uh of hamster. But let's wait for announcement of hamster combat what their ratio. Okay? So my feel is this is the possible ratio in hamster combat. So if you have 1 million per hour, it is 1,000. But if this uh 1 million we convert it to uh this 100 ratio, as you have 10,000 ratio. Let's wait to hamster combat announcement. Okay guys, how to see hamster combat announcement in Telegram? Go to hamster combat announcement. Do you see the blue check? Okay, so this is the announcement of hamster combat. So you need to 150 million active players, so it is possible that the ratio is 1k per 1 10 $100 or 10k kaan. Okay, this is the possible because the player is 150 million player, so it is possible that is the ratio of our hamster to convert to hamster. So let's wait to hamster combat announcement what is their ratio. Okay, so thank you guys. Please subscribe my YouTube channel, and you more update I will go to inform you. Thank you.